You are not rich and successful because people don't know you. It is not just because you are not rich and successful that's why people don't know you. It's a vice versa. Just think about it this way. The most successful people who you know around you are the ones who is really famous. Either they are very famous or the brand or the product which they have are really famous. Because the number of people who know about you, because the more number of people who know about your services, about your brand, the more number of people will be able to trust you, the more people will be able to do business with you. If you need to get your business to really new heights, if you want to expand your business, you need to tell everyone who you are, because the number of people know about you, the number of people will be able to trust you, will be able to do business with you. So start focusing on this thing. Start focusing on how people can know you. Just go out there and tell everyone who you are, what do you do, and what you can do for them.